So this is where I'm at with this right now. See, the cams are lined up perfect. It's hard to see there. There you can see the crank is lined up. And the ground tooth on the cam itself is also lined up with the cap down there. The only thing that's not in line is this intermediate shaft. See, it's turned one tooth counterclockwise of the mark. Now, if I put that intermediate shaft right on the mark, if I line up the crank, I'm either able to put my entire thumb under this chain. If I have that chain tight, I have at least 1/4 of an inch. If I have this cam tool in, that crank mark is either 1/4 of an inch beyond the mark on the pulley, or it's 1/4 of an inch shy of the mark on the pulley. This is a solid copper head gasket. As close as I can measure it, it's coming out 0.062 inches. I measured it on this side to try to get away from the sealant. And it's an EIP big valve head. It's marked EIP 046 15751.